Okay, hello friends. Welcome once again to our second session in the series of the hot potato interaction. Today we are continuing. In the previous session, we looked at GA clause and were able to generate a fill-in gap exercise. And in this session, we want to look at this, the J clause. What can we use the J clause for? We say the J clause is the one which is used to generate like a puzzle. So today we want to generate a puzzle in a topic called organic chemistry. So in this puzzle, when you want to generate this, you click on the J clause and this interface will appear. So when the interface appears, we need to come. This is why they are telling us we put the title. So our title, for me, I'm saying it is about organic chemistry. Organic chemistry. So that is it that we have that we want to make. The title is about organic chemistry. So after that, you come on this manage grid. You click on manage grid, and after that there is the first one says automatic grid maker. So you click on automatic grid maker. So when you click on that, they will bring you this small dialogue. So this dialogue, it is saying enter each word or phrase on the separate line. Which word? The responses. You must have created a question. For example, the content for this work. For example, me, I have created my content on the desktop. It is on the desktop. Let me open my desktop here. When I open my desktop, make sure that you have your work on the desktop. It is here, the J clause. So when I open on the desktop, this is the work that I've already created about organic chemistry. So in organic chemistry, there is what you call the clues and then the responses. I want to reduce this. It becomes somehow small. Maybe let me put it to size 12. So I have the answer keys and then I have the clues. If you look at number 1, it's saying the simplest organic compounds made of carbon and hydrogen only. What are they? It is hydrocarbon. So these are answers to these questions. You see the questions are 5 and the answers are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. So there are 5 answers and then 5 questions. So after that, let's come back. So they're saying that enter each word or phrase on the separate line. The word and phrases we need, they are these ones, these answers here. So they want these ones on each line. So you can highlight all of them. You have finished typing them very well. So what you do also, you go and create a document and make it like this, and then it makes work very easy for you. So here you can say copy, and we open again our potato J clause, and then all those ones we paste them. Let me hope you know how to paste. Right click and you click on paste. So you're saying enter each word or phrase on the separate line. You can see hydrocarbons on its line, carboxyl on its line, unsaturated, then that, and also that on separate lines. After that, you click on make grid. So you can see it will bring it direct immediately. It will generate this. But after that, we come and we add clues. We add the clues. So here they are. When you click on add clues, let me first remove this. When this one comes, we click on add clues. Those are words which we have put there and we generated this. So we click on add clues. So when you click on add clues, this add dialog comes, and in this dialog there is now, you see hydrocarbon. It was our first word. So when you click on hydrocarbon here is where in this space is is where we put the clue. Where do you get the clue? You go back to the document. It is already here down. So you highlight this, the definition of the meaning of the hydrocarbons. You copy it. You can use Control C, copy, and then you paste. Control V, you can paste, but now you don't need this one. You can remove. After putting it, you say OK. It has gone. You see, after putting it here, the definition comes here. The clue, it comes direct. I believe you can see it. After that, you click on carboxyl. Then after clicking on carboxyl, you come back to your work. Carboxyl is the second, which means its answer is this one. Its answer is this. You copy, Control C, and then you come here, you paste it. You can even just right click and paste, right click and paste. But as I said, you just remove that number. Then after you say OK, you have finished that. Then you go to this CnH2n. We saw it there. That is the answer. Hey, it is here, CnH2n. It is the answer for number 4, the general formula of alkanes. So we can put this one, we highlight, we copy, Control C, and then we paste the answer there. So which means we're saying that, as I said, this one we remove. So we're saying that the general formula of alkanes is, this is the clue. And when you click on OK, it will just come here. I believe you can see it in front. After that, we go to cracking. Now, cracking, let's go back and we see in our document. Cracking is the last one. Cracking is the process of breaking down. So you highlight the definition of what cracking is. You copy and then you paste it here. You paste it here. Paste. As I said, we remove that. Okay. Then after that, we say okay. We are remaining with the unsaturated. Unsaturated, we look for the clue of unsaturated. Unsaturated is here. This is number 3. So we can say the hydrocarbons with at least one double or triple bond is the one referred to unsaturated. So you copy that and then you paste. You paste it here. You paste. As I said, we remove that. That is just a statement. And after we say okay, you see, unsaturated, the clue, hydrocarbons with at least one double or triple bond. After you have entered for every phrase and every word, you just say okay. So the clues have been set and they are done. So after that, you come back again up here. Go to configuration screen. You click on it. Our work here is to set the time. You click on time. It is here. After that, you click activate this, set a time limit for this exercise. After that, you know how much time they can use. Let me say 20 because it needs thinking. 20 minutes. After, what do you want to appear? Your time is over. Okay, we can use that. Your time is over, and then you say okay. Now, after setting your time, our remaining thing is saving. I said you can come on this. You say export to create on this icon. I believe you can see this icon. When you're clicking on it, it will bring you the saving dialog. I still want to save it on my desktop. For you can choose anywhere you want. File name, we say this is a puzzle. This is a puzzle, and we are saying it is coming from JClose. JClose. After that, JClose exercise. After that, you say save as type. This one should remain as HTML. After that, you say save. This one just say yes. After that, view the exercise in my browser. So they have already put for us all of this work. So the topic is organic chemistry, So here they have put the clues. The clues are already there. Number one, organic chemistry is the study of chemical this. So everything is there. Number two, hydrocarbons are organic compounds that contain carbon, and this alkanes are this. So they have put already the clues. If you want these clues, you can hide them from the learners, or you can show them to the learners. So this is our puzzle, which is done. You see, very beautiful, a very beautiful puzzle. And so that is our puzzle, which we have finished. And if you close this, let's close everything. Let's close everything. You call we have already saved. We have already saved on the desktop. I want us to go on the desktop and we see whether our work is there. We have saved it as puzzle jclose. It is here. So when you open it, double click on it, it will be able to open our puzzle, and the timer will start immediately. 20 minutes. So a learner should be able to put what is supposed to be here on number one, what is supposed to be here on number two, what is supposed to be here on number three, and fill in the whole of this. So this is something that we want. If you want to create this, to help the learners to have that critical thinking, so you can generate such material, such exercise for the learners. Otherwise, I want to thank you for watching this. Don't forget that we're having more other sessions as we continue to look at the hot potato. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to our friends so that they can keep on enjoying our tutorials and also learning together. Have a blessed time. God bless.